Hey, how's everybody doing? Another project time. I have one of my hens are going broody, and it's the same one that hatched the eggs last year, and I figure it's just as much a hassle to build a new chicken coop for her than to try to break her. And so I'm going to build a Texas Prepper greenhouse chicken coop using Texas Preppers designs and ideas. And it's going to be setting up here, not where I want a final one to be, but I'm in more of a hurry for the coop than I can get another 10 yards of dirt, and I need about 30 more of these stones to finish this wall. And I'm just not excited about the railroad ties yet, so. But this is a semi-priority. So I'm going to build a Texas Prepper greenhouse chicken coop. And here's my cattle panels. There's my 4 baseboards. Some more wood on top of the truck along with the scrap I have, and we'll just see how it goes. So keep tuned. Yeah. Easy enough. Oh, by myself in about 40 minutes. That includes cutting the wood, so we'll keep going. All right, morning everybody. Gonna do a little bit this morning, get all the archway up and stapled in. I trimmed the tree so the dog had something to eat. I got all the wire ties up, and I used a plastic coated wire that I had. I didn't have my rebar ties, and they'll rust out anyway. But around the arch I did every bar, and then there, you know, because it was not wanting to line up real easy. And down towards the bottom I did every other one. I got the wire on one side blocked up so I can staple it down. And I don't have them with me, but I have a special pair of bent needle nose pliers that I use for holding stuff, small things. So I'm going to run around and staple these. I have it just out from the edge right here, and that will enable me when I put my boards on for my door that this will staple right in the center of the board. And then on that side I got it pulled up tight because that'll just be a back wall. So let me get all these stapled up and get the other side going, and then we'll go from there. Well, you know what they say, if you don't know what you're doing, don't start the job. But I have these staples, and they work fine here, but on these, where it's out, it barely starts to grab. Where this is, I bent a few back, but they're all kind of working their way loose. So I'm going to see, there's one that even popped out. So I gotta go find out if there's a bigger one. I'm sure there is. So, but I got it up and semi started. And then I may run a layer of the flat concrete block underneath. But we'll put this up and get the rest of it done. Well, good morning to you too. Well, here thought I'd show this for I got to go get some more big staples. That's my rough idea of the coop. I'll close in this back area up off the ground, have a laying box on the back side. Is there some reason you're doing that? Thank you. But anyway, you know, like I say, I'm going to do this. I'll cut them off. I need to stare at it for a little while, figure out exactly what I want to do. Notch the boards in, the ends will get cut. The back half will have a roof on it of some sort, I'm not really sure. I may get some corrugated roofing similar to the white plastic over there. And I may run one piece all the way down the middle so there's a shade line, and then on the back half I'll cut the pieces in half and then just do the, you know, do them down that way. The front half's all out in the sun. I'm on the north side of it right now, so it'll be in the shade mostly. Big concern is the heat buildup inside the coop, and once I get a little more along, I will try to come up with some way to insulate it and then protect the insulation from the chickens, and then give a lot of ventilation and everything else. So, and on the door frame, I got some pieces at the shop. I was going to make a screen door for a customer that ended up not getting done. I can't remember how wide it was going to be, so I'm not cutting the door posts yet. And what I did is I got 12 footers, cut them in half, and they should do my two door frames without any scrap pieces, because I have a lot of scrap wood over there to do left over from other projects. So, and actually the 12 footers were a lot nicer boards than the 8 footers. So, but anyway, I'll put this video up. The rest of it's going to take me a few days, and like I say, I got to stare at it for a while, figure out what I want to do. So anyway, keep tuned. We'll get it done eventually. So thanks a lot.